guys, so I'm back with another tutorial, and in this look I'll be showing you how to create this soft bronzy glow using mostly affordable products. So I've already prepped and primed my lids with my Jessie's Girl eyeshadow base, which is my favorite drugstore primer. The first shades I'm going in with is Oatmeal Tan and Harvest Brown by Coastal Scents, and I'm just roughly applying these colors into the crease with a synthetic blending brush as my first transition color. Now all of these single pan eyeshadows used in this tutorial are by Coastal Scents, by the way, so just keep that in mind. Next, I'm taking the shades Barista and Deep Roast onto a more precise blending brush, and as you can see, instead of giving it a loose blend, I'm actually focusing this color directly under my orbital bone and into my crease socket. I want to keep that rounded shape because this will give the illusion of bigger eyes by making it look like I had a deeper crease and a larger lid space. You can keep packing on the color and blending it out until you reach your desired intensity. In this next step, I am completely out of focus, but I'm simply highlighting the brow bone and blending out any harsh edges with the shade Chamois Nude. For the lids, I'm starting out with Colourpop's eyeshadow in Amaze. Then on top of that, I'm using another Colourpop eyeshadow in I Heart This to give it some extra pop and kind of a sparkly flare. This particular formula applies best with your finger, or you can use a synthetic brush, but honestly, the fingers are going to get you the most payoff. I took whatever was left on my finger and just lightly feathered it into the crease, making sure to blend the two edges together for a more seamless transition. I want my eyes to really be open and bright, so I'm taking a nude pencil into my waterline, and off camera I applied some mink lashes, no liner for the top lash line this time. For the face, I'm using Maybelline's new Matte Poreless Foundation. CVS was having a BOGO sale and I needed a new foundation, so I decided to give this one a try. So far, I love it. It has great staying power and does keep you matte with a natural finish, so you're not super dry looking. But you do need to use a primer with this. For concealer, I also picked up another new Maybelline item, their Master Conceal, and I'm using this to highlight and conceal my under eye areas and just take it down the bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, and the chin. I really like this one too. It's very lightweight, it doesn't crease on me, and it lasts all day. Once I have everything applied and blended, I'm going in with my face powder, a little bit of bronzer all over to give me some more color. Then I'm moving on to contouring. I just had to use my Sephora Baked Bronzer because I've been loving it so much lately. It's great for a cheekbone contour, and I'm just starting out with the matte side first.